The epic tale of Nal and Damayanti. What happens when love is tested by the gods themselves? This is the story of Nal and Damayanti, an epic tale of love, betrayal, fate and redemption from the Mahabharata. Stay with us as we unfold this mesmerizing legend. Long ago, in the prosperous kingdom of Nishadha, ruled King Nal, brave, noble and skilled in warfare. His wisdom was unmatched, and his kindness won the hearts of his people. Meanwhile, in the kingdom of Vidarbha, lived the enchanting princess Damayanti, whose beauty and grace were spoken of across lands. Though they had never met, fate had already bound their souls together. One day, a golden swan, blessed with the power of speech, carried tales of Nal's greatness to Damayanti, and spoke of her beauty to Nal. Through this divine messenger, love bloomed between them. King Bhima, Damayanti's father, arranged a grand Swayamvara, where the greatest kings gathered, hoping to win her hand. But among them stood 4 celestial beings, Indra, Agni, Varuna and Yama, each determined to claim her love. The gods, fearing rejection, chose a unique strategy. They sent Nal as their messenger to persuade Damayanti to marry one of them. Nal, torn between duty and love, obeyed their command. But when he met Damayanti, her love for him was unwavering. She vowed that no force, not even the gods, could change her decision. The gods, impressed but not ready to accept defeat, tested Damayanti's devotion. They appeared in Naval's exact form, making it impossible for her to distinguish the real one. But Damayanti noticed something unlike mortals. The gods cast no shadows and lacked the imperfections of men. With confidence, she chose the real Nal, proving that true love sees beyond illusions. Though their love had triumphed, dark times loomed ahead. The demon Kali, who had also desired Damayanti, burned with jealousy. He cursed Nal, filling his heart with an uncontrollable obsession for gambling. Under this spell, Nal lost everything: his wealth, his kingdom and even his clothes. From a mighty ruler, he became a homeless wanderer. In the depths of despair, Nal made a painful decision. He left Damayanti alone in the forest, believing she deserved better than a ruined man. Heartbroken but resolute, she vowed to find him and restore their love. Alone and vulnerable, Damayanti braved dense forests, wild beasts, and deceitful men. She encountered dangers at every turn, but her determination never wavered. Meanwhile, Nahal, his identity hidden, roamed as a servant in a distant land, living under the name Bahuka. Years passed, but fate was not done with them yet. Damayanti, now reunited with her family, devised a clever test to uncover Nal's identity. She sent a messenger who challenged Bahuka's cooking skills, because only Nal had the unmatched ability to prepare divine cuisine. As expected, Bahuka's food bore the signature taste that Damayanti knew so well. The truth was revealed. Damayanti's relentless search had borne fruit. Love had conquered fate once more. With Kali's curse now lifted, Nal reclaimed his true form and returned to his kingdom. With renewed strength, Nal challenged those who had taken his throne. Armed with wisdom gained from his struggles, he outwitted his foes and won back his kingdom. Damayanti, his queen, stood by his side, proving that love, tested by gods and fate, had endured. Thus ends the tale of Nal and Damayanti, a love that defied gods, curses and time itself. But what do you think? Can love truly overcome all odds? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic tales from Indian mythology.